Here I have MAXCOM MS456 and let me show you how to enable the battery saver mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's tap the apps icon right here, find and select the settings. Afterwards, from the following list, you have to find and select the battery. It's under device tab right here. Here you've got some important useful information, for example the battery usage, and you can also here choose the more key in that corner and select battery saver. And here you can turn on the battery saver right here by using that switcher. To help improve the battery life, battery saver reduces your device performance and limits vibrations, location services and most background data. You can also enable this mode automatically, for example when you have 5% of the battery or 15% of the battery. So that's it. You can also go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.